my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install and set up WinRar in Windows 11. So for this case, we will go to our browsing site I have used in Mozilla. So we'll write the WinRar download. So here the official page winrar.com. Here direct we will click here. So before that, what we'll do this. So here the things. We will do the WinRAR 7.01 English 64-bit. So directly we will download from here. If we want another site like Arabic 64-bit, so according to PC requirements, Italic, English, Dutch, Danish, or something Greek, Slovakia, Ukrainian, Android, English version, lots of things. So my PC has WinRAR 64-bit. So click here. See, it is downloading. It requires few times, a few seconds hopefully. 3.8 MB. So direct I will open or install from this site. So click yes. Here the install all kinds of file. I will do okay. Done. So we have to check this. So check from where? So we will go to the programs control panel, which have, and there have program where for programs and features. See in below, hopefully that's because WinRAR. See the WinRAR 7.01 64-bit has been installed. Before that it's downloaded and installed. I will install it later. So in this way we can install these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.